Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me OnePlus CE2 Lite, and now I'm going to try to clear USB charging port using home remedies using household items. So if you don't want to damage your USB charging port, I suggest to use only plastic or wood objects to clean your connector. So never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage the charging port or your moisture protection. I suggest to use old toothbrush, which you no longer use. So as you can see in my charging port is something that preventing the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So firstly, take the cover off if you have, and take the brush in your hand. Then insert the one part of the brush into the connector and try to gently pry the dirt out. So that's it. It was a piece of paper. So cool. Thanks for watching. Like this video, it was so fast. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.